Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you why is APK not installed and how to fix Android app not installed error. Let's get started. First try to open your APK file and you can see the pop-up window with text that for your security your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. But you can change these in settings, and if you have the settings button, tap on it, and we are in Install Unknown Apps section. Then choose your browser from what you want to install APK files. For me, it's a Chrome browser, and turn on it. After that, you can tap on Install button and install your APK file to your Android phone. If you haven't the Settings button, then go to the Settings and find Biometrics and Security tab. Tap on it, and here we have a Install Unknown Apps section. Tap, and we are in the same screen as earlier.